So we're at Adams Avenue. It's like a theater here. It's gonna be a wedding venue and other venue of sorts, but they're having a little event here today to show it off. So we're here to support and check it out. What is this?
So this is the Adams Avenue Theater here in Normal Heights. And it's historic. It's been here for about 100 years. It was an original movie theater when movies first came out in the 70s. It was a music venue and they had some iconic bands like Dead Kennedys and Iggy Pop play, and I'll show you a wall that we have dedicated to that. In 2021, it was renovated kind of like what you see now, and it was primarily used as just like a banquet hall. But now we're going to do shows and in-house productions with immersive movie experiences and private events, obviously.
So it's gonna be it's gonna be like this, like any kind of event, people can have it here.
Private events, but also we're going to produce our own type of shows for like immersive movies and experiences, like, you know, Halloween, for example. We're going to do a whole installation with props, and yeah, sky's the limit.
And so like weddings are gonna be a big part of it too?
I think a specific demographic of weddings would really love the movie aspect, the pop culture aspect. You get to be the star of your own event, and starting with your name on the marquee there, the posters we mentioned, got the red carpet service when they walk in.
Oh, cool, so you'll put out a red carpet, that'll be part of the deal. Go on, Frank.
And then they've got the option to display either a chronology of their relationship or whatever they want in these different poster aspects. Maybe this is when they were kids, here's them in college, this is their proposal, shots that Toby did on the beach. While we're out here, let's go upstairs.
People can actually stay up here?
You can actually stay up here. You could rent it for the day to do your hair and makeup, and then later in the night, this could be your escape. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath.
This is really nice.
There's a lot of space, got a kitchen, got a cool view of Adams Avenue down here. We love Normal Heights. That's why we're here. We're like, this is a cool neighborhood.
Are you going to be part of the comedy shows?
There already is a monthly comedy show here that's really successful. It sells out every month. It's called Abnormal Nights Comedy. Your dessert carts.
Are these your bars?
The black bars are ours, and the shelves behind that.
Thank you so much.
Everything is configurable, so if they want to move something, we're happy to set up a little lounge installation. Pipe and drape is huge in a room like this because if there's a flip for ceremony, you can essentially hide your dinner tables until after. The ceremony can go a number of different directions. You can be on the stage. The stage can be removed completely. A nice blank wall there, so if you wanted to pipe and drape that or do an arch with some florals, that works too.
Yes.